Google laid off hundreds of employees from their cloud unit. Microsoft closed down their game studio office. Every IT employee is uncertain about their job. Are you worried about your job security in 2024? With rapid changes in technology and the job market, it is a valid concern. But what if I told you there is a tool that could help you navigate these uncertain times? Today, we will explore how Perplexity.AI might just be the key to saving your job in 2024. Let us dive in. Perplexity.AI is a research tool which uses AI at the back end to answer your questions by researching on the web. This video serves the dual purpose of exploring Perplexity.AI and finding ways to save your job in 2024. Two birds with the same stone. So I am on Perplexity.AI and I am using the free version. The pro version is about $20 per month and I have logged in with my ID. So here I have started with the question how to save your job in 2024 and it is given a detailed article. To save your job, stay adaptable, upskill and maintain a strong professional network. Then it says understand the job market and be adaptable, upskill and reskill, network and build connections, maintain a strong professional profile, stay proactive and positive. Then once you have the article, you can share it for public or you can explore further. Like the number one item here is understand the job market and be adaptable. So I question it. Expand on number one above and present current job market trends for IT professionals. So it gives rising pay and candidate driven market, emerging trends in IT recruitment, basically AI integration, cyber security, remote work, skills based hiring. So employers are prioritizing practical skills and hands-on experience over traditional educational credentials, broadening the talent pool and allowing for more diverse hiring practices. So practical skills with my courses on Udemy can certainly help you. Gig economy and short-term contract work which are becoming more popular. It also gives you where it got the information from, like these articles here. See, in LinkedIn itself, there is a 2024 IT job market emerging trends. So you can go and check these articles as well. Then it says future outlook, rise of artificial intelligence and machine learning, cyber security, these are the two hot areas, remote skills-based hiring, green jobs. That is basically sustainability in driving an increasing demand for careers focused on environmental conservation, renewable energy and sustainability practices. Here also citations are given. And these are quite recent. Sometimes I have found even 2000 articles which may not be relevant now. And also it talks about US IT job market. And it says that there is a increase, demand is more, popular roles and typical salary. Now it says demand is more, but a lot of companies are firing people. So what is the scenario? So I asked the question, the demand for IT professionals has reduced as many companies are firing employees. But it contradicts me, saying that demand for skilled IT professionals remains high and unemployment rates are lower, job openings are more, certain skills are in demand, industry trends. So it cites these computer world and Times own news articles. Industry trends, job market outlook, skill-based hiring. Now, earlier it talked about reskilling, but I am a little skeptical about reskilling. So let me ask, will reskilling cause psychological problems? You can't expect a blacksmith to be happy as a carpenter. Well, let us see what it says. It says there is no clear evidence that reskilling will necessarily cause psychological problems. Okay. It says it is associated with optimism. So this is based on a COVID-19 article. I don't know why it said this. For black respondents, reskilling was associated with a measure of optimism related to thriving and subjective well-being. Then reskilling is not merely a tool, but also economic stability, which can have psychological benefits. But it also gives several factors like relevance, support, flexibility, communication, and engagement. This is from employer point of view. Then I am concerned about this sentence, so I can ask for that more. For black respondent, reskilling was associated with a measure of optimism related to thriving and subjective well-being. I was asking about blacksmiths becoming carpenters. Where did black respondents come from? It says the sources provided do not mention black respondents. So let us forget about that. So let us ask a different question. Instead of reskilling, can I repurpose my existing skill and talent? It says yes, you can absolutely repurpose your existing skills and talents instead of reskilling. For this, again, it cites various articles from which it got this research. Leveraging your strengths, saving time and resources, as it is often faster and more efficient than reskilling. Boosting job satisfaction, transferring skills across industries. And again, it gives repurpose your skills effectively, what you need to do. I asked it, can you put all of this in a single article removing reference to black respondents? But instead of how to save your job in 2024, it gives only about upskilling and reskilling. Pathways to economic justice and social mobility. I don't know where this came from. Invest in talent, developing a vision for the future, testing assumptions through pilot programs, reskilling and upskilling, implications for policy practice, and then it talks about conclusion. And suddenly it says by focusing on these initiatives, companies can help bridge the racial wealth gap and create more equitable opportunities for their employees. I have no idea where this perspective came from. But whatever the research you are doing, make sure you give it a thorough check on what Perplexity.AI is giving, whether it is applicable to your scenario or not, and make sure you check all the citations that are given and build your own article. So, though we got many ways that you can help to save your job in 2024, Perplexity.AI can help, but it cannot replace a human researcher. That is my opinion. You can share this here in Twitter. You can copy this link. I will copy this link and share in the description as well, so you can go through that. So what are the main ways to save your job in 2024? Understand the job market and be adaptable. Upskill, reskill, and repurpose. Network and build connections. Maintain a strong professional profile. Stay proactive and positive. Now, let me ask the same question to ChatGPT-4o and see what it answers. How to save your job in 2024? It says it involves a combination of staying relevant in your field, demonstrating value to your organization, and continuously improving your skills. The key strategies are continuous learning and skill development, adaptability and flexibility, demonstrating value to your organization with quantifiable contributions and innovation, networking and relationship building, along with professionalism and work ethic, which are very important, and embracing technology. Make sure you are ahead of the race when it comes to technology, and my courses on Udemy can certainly help here. By focusing on these areas, you can enhance your job security and position yourself as an indispensable asset in your organization in 2024. None of these are guarantees, but they can certainly help. Please subscribe to my channel and look forward to more such articles, and make sure to express your comments.